What's up guys, welcome back to another day trading. Today I just opened a one position, and that position takes around almost 1 hour. It was very long today for me. Today was also Friday, but the market didn't have too much movement, so that's why it takes around almost 1 hour. It was very wrong actually. And so let me show you what I trade today. But hopefully I traded and I hit the target after 1 hour. So what I did, as you can see on the screen, I just opened. I was on the right side, you can see the Nasdaq 100, and also on the left side you can see Affirm. So I just opened around 9,000 share on Affirm and I long it. Why? Because the market was the positive and all the science shows the market will be grow up. So that's why I just long it on Affirm. And of course this takes a long time for me, and it was not easy until to hit my target. Of course I was also in the loss almost for 300, but I didn't close it. So you can see what exactly happened. I just changed the speed of this video for almost 9 times, and you can see it very well. So the point of this video is, when you open a position, just wait, and you need to pay passion, and you need just to wait it to hit the target, and don't came out when you understand the market will be changed the trend. So that was very important to you. When you open a position, you can see on the Nasdaq, so on the right side, you can see is on the trend line, and the trend line is the down. So that's why the market will go up back. So that's why it was very hard. So yeah, so I just changed the speed of this video, so you can see it is very quick and also fast, and it takes almost, this video I hope will take around 8 minutes. So you can see specific what I did and how I react to this position. So I just continue to tell you about, so when the trend of this the market, so be just very careful about how you can manage it. So sometimes you go to loss, sometimes, but you need to know what exactly direction of the position. If it's positive, just keep it. If it's negative, just sell it. And what happened if you understand the position is wrong? So just accept the loss and came out from that position. But in this case, I didn't found out to close my position in loss, because in 99% I was in the loss, but I didn't close it. Why? Because I understand the market is still positive, and the Affirm, or this my position, it doesn't matter, it should be Affirm, Tesla, or whatever, but I understand the market will go up. So just I keep it, and finally I hit my target after almost 1 hour. So it was very long time actually, but normally I want to always to keep my position very fast. Sometimes, as you can see in my channel, you can see all my trades takes around under 5 or 10 minutes. Yes, sometimes it takes 1 minute, but this time it takes very long time, and I didn't accept it to hit my target after 1 hour. So the point is, you need to have the waiting. You can see on the screen I was also in 400 or 300 in the loss, and the market didn't move it too much. So yeah, that sometimes happen. You need to be careful and take care of your money. So in this market, this is not joke. So if you be very greedy, you will lose money. So if you put your stop loss or your TP, just wait it to hit it, not more and not less. So you can see I was also in profit around 500, but I didn't close it, I just waited. Of course, if you want to hit your target, you should have passion. And of course the time was when I came and opened this position, the market was also done all the movement, and the market was also Friday, because on Friday, so the market have not too much movement, and all the people, they close the office and they close the computer, so they go just to holiday or something like that. So that's why the markets didn't too much movement. So if you open a position, but the most of the people saying you should not trade on Friday, not on on Monday or not on Friday, because there is not too much value and also the movement. So but some people they also do, but say it's all about you, it's not wrong, it's not. But you can see on the screen I was in the top around 5 or 600 in profit, and I came down again until 3 or 400 in loss. So it's huge difference actually. So but I understand the Nasdaq, you can see this is just on the pullback, and I didn't worry about the market will crash it coming down, I should close my position or not. So I just keep it. So yeah, I will also make one video about if you're not trader or day trader, I will also make some video about what kind of the stock you need to buy for a long term. So this and I will tell you about what so which exactly the stock is possible for you to buy it for and keep it for almost for 6 or 1 year, and then you get the profit. So because the market is the point, so you can come back and the trend will go up again. So hopefully also the EU, they make the bank EU, so they make the change the interest rate, and also the people can pay less, and the interest rate is going up. So that's why the euro also be powerful against the USD. So this is also important, and that's also this make the market will grow up. As you can see also, if you follow the market, the Bitcoin or crypto also grow up, because it was give very good news to cryptocurrency actually. So let's go back to screen. You can see it's almost that point to my target hit it. I almost in 6 or 700 in the profit, and the Nasdaq is still keep going up, and it was should be almost here. Yeah, I'm on in 700 800. So here was my target hit it after almost 1 hour. So I just keep that speed up to show you how exactly I reacted to this position and this my trade. And this was about the Friday, and Friday didn't have too much movement. So let's continue about the crypto. The crypto, if it's going up, because all the bank also crashed in US and also in Asia and also in Europe. You can see if you follow all the news, you can see exactly what happened to the economy. So that's why the people afraid from bank, and then they put all the money to the crypto. So that's why they so let me give you example about the crypto. So right now the old economy and bank is just crashing, and people they take out all the money from bank and then they buy it crypto, because they think and they thought also the crypto will go up and is also safe. They're not lose the money. So that's why all the money came out from bank and then is going to crypto. So that's why crypto is rising. So this is the reason, guys. It's very simple. It's not hard, and you can understand it why the market react to the crypto. So we're not talking about the crypto, but this was just the point. So what happened in this week about the market. So I just want to tell you how exactly you should and accept why the market is coming down and what crypto is going up. So that was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and of course, just if you like this video, so just like it and push the like button. And of course, if you want to see all my trend and so what I do every day, so just push the subscribe button, and then you will join this channel, and then you can see what exactly happened to the market. Also, you can use also this information to your trade, and then you can learn it how you can also trend like me. So yeah, that's what all, guys. Thank you for watching. So if you have also some questions, so you can just write down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and the next video it should be about the what kind of a stock we should buy for a long term. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day, guys.